Welcome to this video on EV fast charging, focusing on the power of direct current, or DC. EV batteries store direct current, but the utility grid delivers alternating current. The small onboard charger converts AC to DC, limiting the power flow to between 7 and 22 kilowatts. DC fast chargers move the conversion outside the vehicle. Heavy industrial rectifiers convert AC to DC at scale. This allows the station to feed DC power directly into the battery, with outputs reaching 50 kilowatts to 400 kilowatts. The DC fast charging process follows a 5-step digital dialogue: digital handshake, limit setting, bulk charging, tapering, and disconnect. Steps 1 and 2 involve verification and restriction. The car and charger identify each other via the ISO 15118 handshake. The Battery Management System, or BMS, then sets power limits by monitoring state of charge, temperature, and state of health. Steps 3 and 4 are the bulk and taper phases. During the bulk phase, the battery accepts peak power between 10 and 80% charge. The charger then slows down in the taper phase to prevent lithium plating, which can permanently damage the battery anode. Inside the charging station, modern modules use silicon carbide, or SiC, semiconductors. SiC components achieve high efficiency, wasting less energy as heat, and reduce the charger footprint by 50%. To manage the extreme heat generated by up to 350 kilowatts of electricity, liquid cooling is used in both the cables and the station's modular rectifiers. This modular design helps prevent total system failure. The Battery Management System, or BMS, acts as the brain, balancing charging speed against battery longevity. It prevents thermal runaway and manages cell imbalance. New 800-volt vehicle architectures accept more power at a lower current. The charging hierarchy ranges from Level 1 AC charging for overnight home use to ultra-fast DC, charging at 250 to 400 kilowatts for highway road trips, providing over 600 kilometers per hour of range. There are 3 main global connector standards: CCS, the global standard combining AC and DC; NACS, the compact and reliable North American standard; and CHAdeMO, a legacy standard leading in bidirectional charging. Charging hardware is matched to the environment. Highway hubs use 150 to 400 kilowatts CCS stations. Residential chargers maximize onboard capacity. Retail parking uses 50 to 60 kilowatts DC chargers for a quick top-up. Vehicle-to-grid, or V2G, uses bidirectional DC chargers to pull power from the car. EVs act as mobile batteries, stabilizing the utility grid during peak demand. V2G is becoming standard for commercial fleet chargers. Megawatt charging delivers over 1,000 kilowatts of power, allowing semi-trucks to replenish batteries in 30 minutes. AI software predicts driver arrival and preconditions the battery temperature for maximum intake speed. DC fast charging utilizes SiC hardware and liquid cooling to eliminate bottlenecks. BMS intelligence protects battery chemistry, and bidirectional flow turns vehicles into grid assets, making DC fast charging the backbone of the global transport network.